Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Monica and welcome back for another unboxing, another subscription box for September. This time I have my Glossy Box. It seems like we're going back to the regular box, the pink one. And let's see what we have for September. As usual, the black bow and the card. And this one says here usual suspects. Police department Glossy Box. It's really cute and funny. The card looks like this, and we have as usual all the products inside and details about the products. Couple more information about this month. Box and many other details which I'm not gonna bother you with them. And let's go ahead and see what we have here. We have this pink paper, and in this month box here are the products. In this one, I was trying to read a brand, which is new for me. First, we have here Sweet and Nutty. This one is from Wild Green. It's Orange Blossom Body Mist. Looks like this, seems to be a full size. Pretty nice scent. Yeah, I like the scent of this one. It's not very strong. About this one, if I can find this one, Wild Green, Wild Garden. About this one, in a full size, it's $10.95 in 3.3 fluid ounces, and this one is the full size. Scent is the strongest scent tied to memory, and with Wild Garden Sweet and Nutty Body Mist Spray, you'll leave a lasting impression on everyone you meet. A blend of Orange Blossom and Yasmin. The girl next door meets a solid devil in disgrace, whatever is the pronunciation of that. It's perfect as a gift for yourself or a friend. You can use it. Isn't just for your body. Spritz a little on your clothes to give those outfits you want to repeat before laundry day. So so far it does have a nice scent. I think it's the first time when we get a body spray in a Glossy Box, but I might be wrong. Then we have in here from Context, this is Microderm Regenerator, is this one, and I remember the brand because I got an eye cream from the same brand in a Ipsy offer. About this one, in a full size is $35 and it's 4 fluid ounces. This one is just one, so the full size it's 3 times more. It's $35. About this one, brings the same crystals used in a professional microdermabrasion treatment to your own home. Both a cleanser and a gentle exfoliator. This powerful antioxidant fight damage and protects cells while polishing and removing dead skin, leaving you soft and hydrated. As tip, use the Regenerator twice a day and massage it into wet skin in circular motion. Circular motion help break up clogs and free up dirt stuck in your pores. So an exfoliating cleanser. Then we have in here this one, and this one is Still London, if I'm pronouncing that right. It's 9-color eyeshadow palette in Eaton Square. Should I open this one? Let me show you this one because I have other palettes that I will put in giveaways. And let's see how this one looks. It doesn't have a mirror, which doesn't bother me, but has pretty nice fall colors. Shimmer and matte colors, and let me swatch 2 of them or 3. So far I like the middle row. It does have some fallout. Here are those 3 shades. Pretty nice for fall. As you can see, oops, it's a lot of fallout here, but those are you can blend them very easy. So about this one, say goodbye. It's $15. Say goodbye to the stress of finding just the right shade of eyeshadow with the Style London Eaton Square eyeshadow palette. The perfect combination of 9 colors gives you a look for every occasion, and the paraben-free ingredients keep your body as beautiful as the inside as you look on the outside. Try dumping your applicator blush with a setting spray before dipping into your favorite shade. This will give you color. Will give your color a bolder, more vibrant look. So far it seems to be a pretty nice palette. Then we have in here something with 12-hour lip color for mood matcher twist stick lip color. It's in this shade, so I'm not gonna swatch this one because I'm not using this shade so much. It's a full size. I will leave it for one of you for the giveaways. About this one, it's a twist stick lip color in a full size. It's $10. Takes you back to the days of mood rings, but without the 70s big hair. A sleek slim lipstick that changes to match your body chemistry, giving you a personal shade that's unique on you. The tapered tip helps create clean lines on your lips without sacrificing a long-lasting wear. Colors will vary. So far I got this one, which is in the shade, and I just dropped something. This one is in the shade, oh my gosh, let's find the shade of this one. I found just an item number. Anyway, it's this one right here. Then we have in this one, we have a mask, and this one is from Labcos. It's charcoal pore care. Looks like this. About this one is $3.50. Daily skin sheet mask in charcoal. Labcos charcoal daily skin mask uses salicylic acid, tea tree oil, and charcoal extract to remove toxins and keep your skin in a state of deep hydration. Unlike other masks that just exfoliate your skin, this one also tightens your pores, making those nasty holes in your face a thing of the past. Everyone knows about cleansing your face before applying a face mask, but it's also important to moisturize after you wash the mask off. So this one locks in hydration and maximizes benefits. So a face mask. And the last product in here is this one from Freeman Pst Volume Dry Shampoo. I like the brand. Right now I'm trying a serum from them, and it's quite good. This is a dry shampoo in a deluxe sample. This one, original dry shampoo in citrus, it's $6.99 for 5.3 ounces. This is 176 ounce. So this is a deluxe sample. Being a powerful one means not always getting time to shower. Psst is the name. Citrus Instant Dry Shampoo helps you size the day by transforming dull hair into a fresh look without having to lather up. Powder eliminates odor, absorbs oil, and boosts volume, so just spray and you're ready to go. As tip, let the dry shampoo sit in your hair for a few minutes before taking a hairbrush to it. This gives the dry shampoo time to really absorb the grease and leave you with the best look. So I'm using dry shampoos a lot. I will try this one also. So far this is all I got in my Glossy box for the month of September. We have a dry shampoo, we have a body mist, we have an exfoliant cleanser, a face mask, an eyeshadow palette, and a lip product. So that's kind of all in this box. If you got the box, let me know what do you like from this box, or what do you think about this month box. So far it's an okay box for me, not the best one. I can't wait to see, because I heard they will have an advent calendar, and I think I saw some spoilers somewhere. Somebody posted some spoilers, and I think I saw that one, oh my god, what's her name, on somebody's channels, actually somebody's blog, the items that are gonna be in the advent calendar, and I think it's not something extraordinary, but there are good items. So we'll see at that time what's gonna be. So far was the I think was the Glossy box from the advent calendar from UK. We'll see if we'll get that here. I don't know yet about that more details, but as soon as I'll find out, I will leave it in the description down below. So that's kind of all for Glossy Box September. I will see you guys very soon with another video. I would love to do some reviews, but it's the subscription box time right now. Probably after the boxes are in, I will have more reviews. In the meantime, you have an amazing day. Let me know what do you think about this month box. Let me know what do you think about the other boxes that I have, the BoxyCharm and the Sephora Play by Age. So that's kind of all for now. Thank you so much again for being part of my life. I will see you guys very soon. You have an amazing day. Bye bye.